What up, YouTube? Or Random here checking in. I'm gonna show y'all how we make a gasket right here for this here V-band that we got for our hot side of the turbo. I just got me some Pro gasket material. I got a part number right there if y'all need it. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna start by tracing me out what I need. So this is the section that I need right here. I'm gonna get him traced out. All right, y'all see that? Got me one there. I'm gonna make me one more. All right, y'all see it. So I got me two. We'll work on cutting those out, and then I'm gonna work on cutting this inside out. All right, gang. So I just got me a regular pair of scissors, and I'm gonna try to cut it with these, at least the outside. You know what? I got some big snips too. I can also try it with those. All right, gang. Y'all see, I got two of them cut out. I just need to get the right tool, maybe a little angle cutter, and cut the inside diameter out. But y'all see all the material that I have left over. So we got plenty enough to do. Enough gaskets that'll run our lifetime. All right, gang. Y'all see, I cut me two fresh ones out with the scissors. They're fitting good on a V-band. These right here, I'm just gonna throw these away. One on my head bent. But you see, we tried with this here angle wheel, and it was just scuffing it up. So I'm gonna go with these here, they're nice and fresh. And we did it all with these scissors. All right, gang, we back to the house, and we about to mess around with this Monte Carlo. I fabricated me some gaskets for them V-bands. I cut them out, so I'm about to put me some sailor on those V-bands, and I'm gonna try to get those installed on this here exhaust crossover, so I can get this thing wrapped up and get it back on the road. So appreciate y'all for stopping in. Made out good today, you know. We made a $250 profit in the bank. So thank y'all for tuning in, gang. All the support and all the love, baby. Catch y'all next time. Deuces. All right, gang. Y'all see, we got one gasket in place. I'm gonna go ahead and apply me some gasket sealant on this side here. Y'all see what I'm using. I'm gonna apply that and stick my gasket in place. All right, tube. Today is the next day, and all of this is dried up. Our gasket in place, so we ain't gotta fight that or try to worry about if it's centered or anything. Y'all see it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do next, which I already started. You see the clamps right here? I beat them down a little bit because when you tighten them, it kind of stretches them. So I think we're ready to install our pipe on them. I'm gonna get that on, put you back on, baby. Y'all see what's going on. Put me a little sealer on the outside. Now I'm about to go ahead on and install this thing.